Welcome to our video on how to make money online without investment. In today's digital age, there are numerous ways to earn money from the comfort of your own home without the need for any initial investment. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the most popular and effective methods for making money online without investment. Method 1: Online surveys. One way to make money online without investment is by completing online surveys. Many market research companies are willing to pay individuals for their opinions on various products and services. Some popular survey websites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. Method 2: Freelancing. Another way to make money online without investment is by freelancing. There are many platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr where you can offer your skills and services to businesses and individuals looking for help with tasks such as writing, graphic design, and programming. Method 3: Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another way to make money online without investment. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. Some popular affiliate marketing platforms include Amazon Affiliates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. Method 4: Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you can sell products online without ever actually stocking or handling the inventory. It involves partnering with a supplier who ships the products directly to the customer on your behalf. Websites like Shopify and AliExpress make it easy to get started with dropshipping. There are many ways to make money online without investment. Whether it be through completing online surveys, freelancing, affiliate marketing, or dropshipping, the opportunities are endless. It's important to find a method that works best for you and to always be open to learning new strategies. Thanks for watching.